Dear students, hope you are well. Welcome to all of you. Now we discuss multiple choice question of mathematical modeling 2022, semester 6, University of Calcutta, B.Sc Mathematics Honors. The question paper, first question 1A, integration 0 to t j0 u j0 t minus u dt is, the correct option is 3, sin t. This is the first we find this jn. This is the jn, jnt equal to the integration, summation r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r factorial r n plus r factorial t by 2 n plus 2r. Then this j0t, this equal to this, for n equal to 0, we write here n equal to 0, this j0t equal to this series expansion, this. Now Laplace transform of j0t, this equal to Laplace transform 1 minus 1 by 2 square Laplace transform of t square, this t to the power 4 Laplace transform t to the power 6, and so on. So after simplification we get Laplace transform of j0t, and this Bessel's functions, this equal to 1 by root over 1 plus a square. Now we apply convolution theorem. This Laplace transform of integration 0 to t j0u j0t minus u du, this equal to Laplace transform of j0t into Laplace transform of j0t. By convolution theorem, we have the, if Lft equal to Fs and Lgt equal to capital Gs, then L inverse Fs/Gs, this equal to F star g, this equal to integration 0 to t fx gt minus x dx. Hence this L of integration 0 to t fx gt minus x dx equal to f of capital F of s and g capital G of s, that is equal to Laplace transform of ft and Laplace transform of gt. So we can write this expression 2. And from 2, this is the right hand side, this Laplace transform j0t and Laplace transform j0t, this is equal to 1 by root over a square plus 1 into 1 by root over a square plus 1 from expression 1. So we get 1 by a square plus 1. So integration 0 to t this equals to L inverse of this, and this equal to sin t, because L inverse 1 by a square plus a square equal to sin at by a. So the correct option is sin t. Next question, question 1b. For this queuing model m by 1 infinity fs, first come first serve queuing model, what is the probability of having no customer in the system? And correct answer is this 2, 1 minus lambda by u. Let P0 be the steady state probability of having no customer in the system. And then actually steady state means after a long time, and Q being in steady state actually does not depend on time t. And so this P0 equal to 1 minus, we define this is the probability, this is the steady state probability having no customer in the system. This is the P0 equal to 1 minus lambda by mu. This lambda is the mean arrival rate of the customer and mu is the mean service rate. So this is equal to 1 minus lambda by mu. Next question 1c. Using linear congruence method, xn plus 1 equal to 9xn plus 11 modulo 27 with seed x0 equal to 101 and three random numbers generated are respectively. Actually, correct answer is none of these, because this seed x0 is equal to 101, and so x1 put n equal to 0 here, the given expression. So this is equal to 9x0 plus 11. So 920 modulo 27. So this residue is 2. So this is equal to 2. And x2 equal to 9x1 plus 11 is equal to 9 into 2, 18 plus 11 equal to 29 modulo 27. So residue is 2. And so on, x equal to 2. So we have sequence this 2, 2, 2, 2 and repeats itself. So they are just cycling. So the correct option is this, none of these answer. Next question 1E and D. Number of extreme points of the convex set S, the set of all those points xy, such that 2x plus 3y less than equal to 1. So actually number of extreme point, and correct option is actually no extreme point here. So none of these. This correct option is none of these. And this is the straight line in the xy plane. 2x plus 3y equal to 1. We get x by 1 half plus y by 1 by 3 equal to 1. So this x-axis, the y-axis, this point is half comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 1 by 3. So this is the straight line, and this inequality, by this inequality 2x plus 3y less than equal to 1, so less than equal to 1, so inequality, this is the region S. Actually this is the region X, shaded region. Actually no extreme point in this region, because the definition of extreme point, that is the vertex of a convex set S. A point X of a convex set S, a subset of Euclidean space and dimensional Euclidean space En, is said to be an extreme point or vertex of the set S if the point X does not lie on the any line segment joining to other points of S. So there is no extreme point on the line, on this line 2x plus 3y equal to 1. So actually there is no vertex point here in this convex region, dotted line, dotted region, shaded region. The following convex set is no extreme point. So not 2, not countable infinite, not uncountable infinite. Actually none of these is the correct option. 4. Next question 1E. If Laplace transform ft equal to fs, actually this f is the capital Fs, then L of f of at is equal to, actually this is the change of scale property. Correct option is 4. Very important property of Laplace transform. This L f at equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of at dt by the definition of Laplace transform. Then limit a tends to infinity, that is 0 to a e to the power minus st f of at, and set z equal to at, so t equal to z by a, and dz equal to a into dt, so dt equal to dz by a. So changing the variable from t to z, limit a tends to infinity 0 to a, And also when t equal to 0, z equal to 0, and t tends to infinity, z also tends to infinity, this, so e to the power minus s z by a, the t is z by a, and fz and dt equal to dz by a. So 1 by a 0 to infinity e to the power minus s by a z into fz dz. Actually, by the definition of Laplace transform, this is equal to 1 by a, this capital F s by a, and this is the Laplace transform of, this is the capital since this L of ft equal to capital Fs. So the correct option is 4. Next question 1F. Customers arrive at a reception counter at an average interval rate of 10 minutes, and the receptionist takes an average of 6 minutes for one customer. Then the average queue length is given by, actually the correct option is 9 by 10, because this is the queuing model m by 1 infinity FCFS queuing model, and this mean arrival rate lambda equal to 10 minutes per customer. So per 1 minute 1 by 10 customer, and mean service rate is 6 minutes per customer, so 1 by 6 customer per minute, and the corresponding average length of queue, that is LQ by formula, is equal to lambda square by mu bracket mu minus lambda. So put the value of lambda and mu, and after simplification we get 9 by 10. So correct option is 9 by 10. 1. Next question G. 1G. If fx is a bounded solution for bracket 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 30y equal to 0, then f0 is what? Actually, value of f0 is the 0, option 3. Y dash means d2y dx square, and y dash is dy dx. Solution for 1G. The given differential equation is this, comparing this n into n plus 1 into y. This is the Legendre differential equation, this Legendre equation. 1 minus x square y double dash minus twice x y dash plus n into n plus 1 y. This n is the positive real. So this is the Legendre equation. So comparing with this 30 equal to n into n plus 1. So 30 equal to 5 into 6. So if we put n equal to 5, and this 5 plus 1 is 6. So value of n is actually 5. Then Pnx, the Legendre function of the first kind, or the Legendre polynomial, is a solution of the differential equation, actually particular solution of the differential equation. And comparing one with the given equation, we have n equal to 5. So P5x is a solution of the differential equation 1. And so fx is a bounded solution. So obviously, now Legendre function first kind, actually Legendre polynomial is a bounded solution. Obviously, this fx equals to p5x. So f0 is the p50. So by Rodriguez formula, pnx equals to this. And so p5x equal to 1 by 8 bracket 63 x to the power 5 minus 70x cubed plus 15x. And remember this formula, we deduce from this Rodriguez formula. So p50 equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 here. So this is equal to f0. So correct option is 0. Next question. Actually, this note, remember this formula, p twice n plus 1 0 equal to 0. Because this twice n plus 1 means the odd number. p1 0, p3 0, p5 0 equal to 0. And p twice n 0, actually twice means this is the even number. P2 0, P4 0, and by this formula we can find this. Next question. Question 1H. For x square y double dash plus xy dash plus 4x to the power 4 minus 1 by 4 y equal to 0, if change of independent variable is done using the substitution z equal to x square, then the new equation will be, correct option is the equation of order 1 by 4. Solution of 1H. Set the new variable z equal to x square. So dz dx equal to 2x and dx dz equal to 1 by 2x. ddx of y equal to twice x ddzy, and d2y dx square equal to this after simplification, put this, we get 4x bracket x into d2y dz square plus 1 by twice x ddzy. Hence the given differential equation becomes, this is the value of this x square y double dash. So x square y double dash, this is d2y dx square. So x square y double dash, this is the value of y double dash, plus x y dash, this x into y dash is this twice x dy dz, this, and 4x to the power 4 minus 1 by 4 y, this, and put x square equal to z. So we find this 4z bracket z d2y dz square plus 1 by 2 dy dz d plus 2z dy dz plus 4z square minus 1 by 4 y equal to 0. So after simplification we get z square d2y dz square plus z dy dz plus z square minus 1 by 4 whole square bracket into y equal to 0. Now Bessel's equation of order n is the standard form Bessel's equation, this x square d2y dx square plus x dy dx plus bracket x square minus n square bracket close y equal to 0 is positive real. So this is the Bessel's equations of order n. So obviously comparing this is the Bessel's equation, standard Bessel's equations of order 1 by 4. Next question 1I. The function ft whose Laplace transform is fs equal to s by s plus 4 into s plus 2 is given by what? Actually, there is no correct option here. Let this s by s plus 4 into s plus 2 equal to, breaking up into partial fractions, capital A by s plus 2 plus capital B by s plus 4, and A, B are constant to be determined by this relation. So s equal to numerator s equal to a plus b into s plus 4a plus 2b. And comparing the coefficient of s, so a plus b equal to 1, and constant terms from both sides, this 4a plus twice b equal to 0. And solving this, we get a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 2. So this s by s plus 4s plus 2 equal to 2 by s plus 4 minus 1 by s plus 2. Now ft equal to L inverse capital Fs. So L inverse s by this s plus 4s plus 2. So L inverse 2 by s plus 4 minus L inverse 1 by s plus 2 by linearity property. So these two constant. So 2 into L inverse 1 by s plus 4 minus L inverse 1 by s plus 2. Now L inverse 1 by s plus equal to e to the power minus 80. So 2 into e to the power minus 40 minus e to the power minus 2t. But there is no correct option here. This 2 e to the power minus 40 and this minus e to the power minus 2t here. The last question, MCQ, this 1j, Laplace transform of the function e to the power minus twice t is, correct option is 3, 1 by s plus 2. Actually, this is the formula, Laplace transform of e to the power minus at equal to 1 by s plus e. And this is the expression, this e to the power Laplace transform of e to the power minus at equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st e to the power minus at dt. So in 0 to infinity integration e to the power minus s plus a into t dt. Actually limit a tends to infinity, and after integration we get this limit, lower limit 0 to capital A, this limit. So putting this limit, this, and limit extends to infinity e to the power minus x equals 0, and e to the power 0 is 1. So this equal to 0 and this equal to 1 by s plus a. So correct option is 1 by s plus 2. And this completes this MCQ. But if anyone send the clear picture of this question paper in PDF, please send me. Thank you for watching this video.